Andrew here and welcome back to True Tutorial guys, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and use email templates within your Gmail, and from now on you will no longer need to copy and paste all emails anymore. You can easily and quickly reply or create any email with just a click of a button. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head into my Gmail account here. And let's say once you're inside your Gmail account, and if you're wondering why my Gmail account is looking so beautiful, it's because I'm currently using a theme. And if you don't know how to change themes, let me just quickly show you. Click on the gear on the upper right hand side, and under theme, you can easily go ahead and change the theme to your liking. No, because I don't want to distract you too much, I'm going to show you how to change it back to the default one. So simple click on that, then click on save. But if you want, you can go ahead and change themes. Now let's get back to how to create and use email templates. So the first thing that you need to know about using email templates is that you have to turn this on, because by default it is turned off within Gmail, right? So click the gear in the upper right hand side again, then click in all settings, and then once you're here, click in advanced, and here you'll find templates. As I said, by default it is turned off, but you want to go ahead and turn this on and click save changes. Right now, once you do that, now you can go ahead and you can click in compose, and from here you want to go ahead and create your email. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply put a basic email template. Now, as you can see here, I've entered a basic email template. Let me go ahead and maximize this so that you can see it better. So this is my email template. Now, once you're finished creating your email template, you want to click the three dots here on the lower left hand side where you have those options for your emails, and then you will see templates available to you. Now, as you can see, I already have an out of office template created, but for you, you want to go ahead and hover over save draft template. Now, here you can override a template. As you can see, it says override template. So you can override the existing template, or you can save it as a new template. Now, I want to share with you one interesting or one cool tip, guys. If you're currently using email signatures, right, by default, when you save this template, what is going to happen is that it's going to come with the signature in it, and I'm going to do two of them so that you can see what I mean. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this first with the email template so that you see exactly what I mean. So I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to simply go ahead and save this, and I'm going to save as. Now, as you can see here, once I click and save as, it has the name thank you there, and this is because I have the subject as thank you. Now, if I didn't put any subject there, it will be blank. And just so you understand where this word thank you come from, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click and save. Now, as you can see, I have this template here, right? So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to simply go ahead and let me go ahead and copy this for a moment so that I have this available so that I can use it again. And I'm going to close this. So if I want to go ahead and use template in the future, now I'm just click on compose. Then from here, click the three dots on the lower right hand side, then hover over templates, and then I'm going to click on thank you. Now, if I go ahead and open this, you realize that it has two email signature, right? And that's because I'm using email signature by default. Now, in order to ensure that this does not happen, if you're using email signature, you want to go ahead and remove both email signature from the email entirely. So you don't want to put email signatures there, because if you do, it will come with duplicate email signature. So let's say I want to create this as a new template, or I want to override this. I'm going to go ahead and remove both of them. And in your case, you want to remove that if you're creating a new template. So go ahead and click three dots again, lower left hand side, hover over templates, and this time go to save draft template, and then I'm going to click on the thank you because I want to override the existing one that I have. So click on this, then it's asked me override save template, click save, and then from here it is all good to go. So let me close out again, compose, click the three dots on the lower right hand side now, or lower left hand side rather, then templates, then select my template, and as you can see here, when I expand this, it only have one email signature. So guys, I really hope you found value here within this video and you learn how to create email templates. This is going to save you a ton of time in the future when you want to create a new email or you want to reply to an email. This is going to save you a ton of time. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.